So it's nice, simple packaging. It's very clear what we're getting here. HD resolution indoor Wi-Fi camera from EZVIZ. It records at full HD up to 1080p. That's an amazing picture quality for a very inexpensive IP camera. So again, motion detection, enhanced night vision, 40 feet up or 12 meters. You can view from your smartphone. It runs on your Wi-Fi 2.4 gig network. And it has a MicroSD slot for recording the video, up to 256 gig cards it supports, or the option of the cloud storage. That is a paid service after your 30-day free trial. So let's see what's in the box. Thank you for purchasing enjoy your EZVIZ product. We hope to hear from you. I think everybody's trying to copy how Apple now does their packaging. Very simple, very clean. So here's the camera. So there's the MicroSD slot on the back. There's a speaker for your two-way communications and your USB. That's how it's powered. And this mounts magnetically onto any metal device for simple mounting installation. Very simple design, looks great. So let's see what's in the other box here. This would be your standard micro USB and power supply. There's the magnetic plate to mount. That would be on the bottom of the device, and then it would stick on to whatever's metal. So again, this is the EZVIZ C1C Full HD 1080p unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed this video from Techmoustache. Thanks.